lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys going? As you guys can tell by the title, I am super excited to share with you my latest pre-loved vintage Louis Vuitton bag purchase off eBay. I just received this bag yesterday. I purchased it from the same seller. The reason being, I was just so impressed with my first Louis Vuitton purchase, the Noé, and so I searched through the same seller's eBay listings and see what else they were selling. This is my fourth attempt at getting this bag. This is the parcel right here. Oh! I haven't opened it. It came a bit dinted like that. But, oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna take the invoice out first. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Oh gosh. Can you guys see what it is? Like, what? Okay, there's extra bubble wrap taken out from the handle here. Oh my gosh. And there's just an extra piece of bubble wrap there. I'm just gonna put this on the floor. Okay, so this is the bag, guys. This is really nicely packed, I think. I think that they did such a great job with the box this time, didn't they? Oh my gosh. What the? So I'd love you to meet my new bag. This is the Louis Vuitton. This is a pre-loved vintage Louis Vuitton Montsouris GM. It's the GM size, which is the largest size. And guys, oh my gosh, she looks like perfection. Oh, it's a she, it's a she. It's in really good condition. Let's open this and have a look. Like, what the? They put so much bubble wrap in here. Oh, can you see the inside of the bag? It's in really good condition. Oh my gosh, there is no smell to it. So let's have a look at the inside of this. Such good pre-loved condition. So I'm just going to restuff this and talk about this bag in a second. So I saw this bag and I'm like, yep, this is the bag for me. I don't want to have a look anymore. What is my max bid going to be? I put my alarm on within 2 minutes left of the auction just to prepare myself, put in my max bid on my phone, and within the last 6 seconds I pressed confirm bid. So I won this bag within the last 6 seconds of auction end at $600 US, including foreign exchange fee. This works out to be about 850 Australian dollars. I've seen bags like this go for 1,100 Australian dollars on eBay. So for me to get this bag at this price in this condition, I'm just so happy. I thought I overpaid for this bag. This is just better than expected, guys. What do you guys think? Like, this one is my fourth attempt and I'm so glad that I got it in this condition. It's better than the previous one that I was wanting to buy that I missed out on, that $580 US for an extra $20 US. This is in so much better condition. There's no smell, there's no stains anywhere, and it's just, I'm just so glad with this. Like, it was meant to be. Made in France in the third week of 1999. Can't believe that this bag is 17 years old. A true vintage piece in pretty much perfect condition. It's got a gorgeous honey patina throughout. There's barely any scratches or anything, just very light wear to this bag. The corners are beautiful. The base is like barely scuffed. The hardware is all intact, like there's not much scuffing to it. It almost looks brand new. Fleur-de-lis just line up perfectly along there, along the base there, on the corners, and especially on the back there. And the inside is super duper clean. Like, it's just kept in such immaculate condition. I'm absolutely loving it. I love it, love it, love it. I wanted one where it was not so dark. It's got such a gorgeous honey patina throughout. It just makes the yellow stitching pop. This drawstring, it's still moist, there's no cracking, it doesn't feel crunchy. The vachetta trimming on the outside here is just perfect, there's no cracks. I'm just over the moon. Like, this is perfect for everyday commute, this is perfect for travel. You know, it makes it so much more fun because you're purchasing something that is discontinued, pre-loved, with a gorgeous honey patina to it already. It just makes it so much more exciting, gives a bit of a story to the piece, and it, you know, it just makes you like want to cherish it a bit more. And I'm so glad that I got this variation of the Montsouris GM, where the inside has the lining and the fleur-de-lis adds up beautifully along the bag. Like, I'm just so happy with this. You know, there's no more searching, no more bidding. Tick it off your wish list. I'm just so glad that I've got this in my hands. The condition is just better than described. It's just pretty much like brand new. Plus you're saving so much money as well. I just love eBay. It's like, you know, treasure hunting, finding your perfect precious treasures. There's just so many great finds on eBay. I just can't believe that they've discontinued this, which makes it even more fun purchasing a pre-loved vintage piece that's been discontinued off eBay. And I really highly recommend this seller. So that's a wrap for my latest pre-loved vintage Louis Vuitton bag unboxing off eBay for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts on my bag purchase. What do you guys think? If you guys have one of these bags, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the MM or the GM? Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, please take care. Bye for now.